7 foods that cause cellulite. Enemy of women, cellulite. I'm sure everyone wants to get rid of it. However, many people don't know what foods cause cellulite. Perhaps the reason natural remedies and creams don't give you the results you want is that you're consuming the foods that cause them. So, in this video, we will introduce you to what foods increase cellulite. What causes cellulite and what makes it worse? Cellulite is found in many women, especially around the thighs and buttocks. Many people want to get rid of them somehow. In addition to avoiding wearing tight pants for long periods of the day and reducing the amount of time you spend sitting, avoiding the following foods can help. Sweets. It is very difficult to limit delicious sweets. However, in order to get firm and smooth skin, you should avoid sweets as much as possible. Especially mass-produced products such as those sold in supermarkets need to be eaten less. Sweets increase the amount of fat in the body and make cellulite worse. Cookies, pancakes, and candy are delicious, but they contain a lot of fatty trans fats, which are the ones that increase cellulite the most. Too much sugar is even worse, especially if it's refined sugar. Instead of being converted to energy, these sugars accumulate in parts of the body such as the legs, buttocks, and abdomen. So switch to stevia, unrefined cane sugar, or sweeteners. If you have a craving for something sweet, eat a little bit of dark chocolate. Please also take a look. Sugar-free dessert. Fat. Burgers, pizza, fried foods, hot dogs, French fries, and anything you find in fast food restaurants are unhealthy, fatty foods that are your body's and your skin's worst enemy. Continuing to eat these foods will lead to fat accumulation and ugly bumps on your thighs and buttocks. Avoid dairy products such as margarine, chantilly cream, heavy cream, and butter. Minimize fried foods, even homemade ones, as well as store-bought foods that contain trans fat. The meats not recommended for women wanting to reduce cellulite are red meat and cold cuts such as salami, ham, sausage, and bacon. Salt. Sodium, or any food containing it, is the enemy of health for many reasons. First of all, it retains water in the body, creating the perfect conditions for cellulite to form. It is recommended that you do not consume more than 1.5 grams of salt per day. Avoid using too much salt in your cooking, and use spices and herbs to season your food. And keep table salt off the table to avoid the temptation to oversalt your food. Also, avoid salty foods such as French fries and certain types of cheese. Soda drink. Most carbonated drinks are not good for your skin. Carbonated drinks, especially colas, contain a large amount of sugar and are a mass of chemicals that are bad for the body. Some people think that Diet Coke or zero-calorie drinks are the best, but they're wrong. Drink water instead. If you're tired of drinking water all the time and can't get used to it, try drinking something like 100% fruit juice or cold herbal tea. Coffee. Caffeine, the main ingredient in coffee, which is also found in soda, can be harmful to your skin. However, it is when the extract is consumed as a coffee drink that coffee becomes harmful. Combining coffee grounds and olive oil as a mask can reduce cellulite. White wheat. So-called white grains. This is a must-have in your daily diet. These non-whole grains, such as bread, cookies, rice, and pasta, are not good for cellulite. Because it contains a lot of yeast and is difficult to burn. If you want to eat bread, you can, for example, make homemade whole wheat bread, half white wheat, half whole wheat. If you buy bread from a store, choose darker ones that contain seeds. Dressing. Mayonnaise and mustard are bad for your skin and cellulite, as are spicy dressings and tomato sauces. Try to make homemade dressings with natural herbs and seasonings and reduce the use of ready-made dressings. Light mayonnaise. For example, instead of buying store-bought tomato sauce, try making your own pasta sauce using whole tomatoes. Also, avoid putting mayonnaise on everything you eat. If you still love mayonnaise, make your own with eggs and lemon juice. You can also buy mustard seeds from natural food stores and make your own recipes.